Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to reset Microsoft Store cache in Windows 11. So guys, just follow some easy steps. Click on start. Now here type ws reset. You will see this command line ws reset. Just click on it. So guys, this command will clean and delete all cache for your Microsoft Store. And another method, you can clear cache in your Microsoft Store. Click on Start, Settings, Apps, Installed Apps. Now find out Store. Click on these three dots, Advanced Options. Then click on Reset. This will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. So click on Reset. So this way guys, you can reset Microsoft Store cache in Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.